everyone, I'm Sevinch from Kai Academy, and today I'm going to talk about how to post to Instagram from a Mac. It is now possible to share photos from Instagram with a computer. As you know, we can only share on mobile with Instagram, and it is impossible to schedule posts on Instagram as on Facebook and Twitter. In short, Instagram is the most challenging among social media platforms. But after watching this video, you'll now be able to share photos on Instagram from your computer. Instagram, the ever-popular app that allows you to share photos and videos with your friends, family, and followers, isn't limited to just your phone or tablet. While there is no official app available, we can show you how to use Instagram on a Mac. The biggest complaint people have with using Instagram on the Mac is that while you can browse images and even like and comment on them, you can't upload images. So here we'll show you a couple of workarounds that allow you to upload images, videos, and carousel posts to Instagram from your Mac. While there is no official Instagram for Mac app available to download, users of the social network do have the option of heading to Instagram.com on a Mac. And the basic web app gives you access to your main Instagram feed, allowing you to browse through photos and videos that friends have posted as well as liking and commenting. And Instagram rolled out stories support shortly after launching the web app, allowing you to view the temporary posts on the big screen. And in January 2020, the company started testing support for direct messages via the web app. And it's only available for a small percentage of users right now, but it should hopefully be rolled out worldwide soon. There is no denying that the Instagram website has been vastly improved since its first launched, but there is still no native way to post images or videos either to your feed or to your Instagram story. So how to upload photos to Instagram from a Mac? While you can't use the standard Instagram website to upload photos on a Mac, there is a way to trick Instagram into thinking you are accessing the site via an iPhone, which does allow for photo uploads. And we'll show you how to make Instagram think you are on an iPhone so you can upload images. The first step is to make Instagram think you are on an iPhone. First things first, before we can fool Instagram into letting us upload an image, we need to make it think we are in fact using an iPhone. So at first open Safari and head to Safari and then choose Preferences, then choose Advanced and make sure Show Develop Menu in menu bar is toggled on, and head to the Instagram website and log into your account and then select Develop from the menu bar and then choose User Agent and then choose Safari, iOS, iPhone or whatever version is the newest one. Now the Instagram website should automatically reload, manually refresh if not, and display the mobile version of the site and complete with upload functionality. And second step is to upload photos to Instagram from your Mac. Now to use your Mac to upload your photos, tap the plus icon on the toolbar at the bottom of your Instagram feed and browse for the image you'd like to post and select it and click Choose. You can expand the cropped square image by tapping the arrow icon on the bottom left of the image preview, and tapping the right icon allows you to rotate the photo. You can also click the Filter tab to browse for and apply a filter to your image. Once you've edited your photo and are ready to post, click Next, and then add a caption, location, or tags, and you're ready to post to your feed, and hit Share to upload the image. And third step is to upload photos to Instagram stories from your Mac. So at first select your story icon in the top left and browse for the image you'd like to post and double click or select Choose. You'll then see a preview of the image and potentially a request for Instagram to know your location. You can add stamps or draw on your image using the tools. And if you'd like to add text to your image, click on the text icon in the top right. Whatever you type will appear in the center of the image once you select Done. And once you have input your text, then click on Add to your story If you don't want to post the image, click on the X in the top left. You can choose to keep or discard the image. And when you're happy with the image, click on Add to your story. The drawbacks of using this technique to post the Instagram stories: it works best with portrait images, and landscape gets cropped, nor can you upload videos this way. And those are big drawbacks, but there are workarounds available. And how to upload Instagram photos via Vivaldi. One of the lesser known Mac web browsers is Vivaldi, and it just so happens that you can post images to Instagram using Vivaldi without any of the complications we just mentioned before. You can add mobile as a web panel in Vivaldi and always use that setting when you visit Instagram. So here's how. At first, download the Vivaldi browser. We had to install version 2.8 and then go to instagram.com and log in and click on the plus icon in the bar on the left, and the Instagram URL will appear in the box under Add Web Panel. Now click on the web panel and a page will open up on the left that shows the mobile version of the Instagram website. According to Vivaldi, you should be able to click on the camera icon and add images to your Instagram story, or click the plus icon to add photos to your Instagram feed. So now let's talk about the best Instagram apps for Mac. There's a handful of third-party Instagram apps available that offer a range of abilities, from being able to browse your feed to checking your notifications to posting images from your Mac onto the social network. So, from there, Applet. While Applet doesn't offer the ability to browse your Instagram feed natively, it does offer features that power users may be interested in. Applet is a simple app available for download that allows users to drag and drop photos and videos and bulk upload them to Instagram in a few seconds. But there is more. You can edit each photo and video like on Instagram and add individual captions to each photo. It also has the crop option featured in the app, allowing users the ability to upload either the original or square size photo. While this isn't for casual users, it allows those die-hard Instagram fans to upload multiple posts all at once. Our only complaint? It is yet to support the new Instagram multi-photo post option, although we imagine support will be coming in the near future. While it was once a standalone app, Applet is now exclusively available as part of the SetApp Mac App Suite at $9.99 a month. And the other thing we're gonna mention is BlueStacks Android emulator. Another way to upload photos to Instagram from a Mac is an emulator. One of the most consistent and trusted emulators we've come across is BlueStacks, a free Android emulator that can be downloaded. And once downloaded, you'll need to set up an emulated Android device. For this, you'll need a Google account and a BlueStacks account, and you'll need to link the two within BlueStacks. Once that's done, you can use the Android emulator to navigate to the Play Store, which is Android's equivalent of the App Store, and download Instagram. And that's it. Okay, I think that's it for now, and thanks for watching. Have a great day.